upset with me? What did I do? Did I give Pippi a nut? You don't like that? I shouldn't give Pippi any nuts. Here comes Pippi. I don't even have to look to know. You don't like that, do you? I'm not supposed to share my nuts with Pippi. Finding another nut doesn't make you happy and overcome that? He's doing this, White Tip? You're upsetting him a lot. Here you go, White Tip. We got all kinds of squirrel Ponzies here. That's not going to make too much happy. Oh, and then we got someone coming up behind them. Uh-oh. Yeah, too much is getting very agitated. Very agitated.